Have you ever said, I entered into the bus. I came out from the bus? They sound understandable, but native English speakers usually say something different. Let's learn the natural expressions. Bus. When you get inside a bus, say, get on the bus. Board the bus. More formal. Examples. I'm getting on the bus. She got on the bus at the next stop. Please board the bus now. When you leave the bus, say, get off the bus. Examples. I got off the bus near my office. Everyone got off at the last stop. Train. The same rule applies to trains. Getting inside. Get on the train. Board the train. Leaving. Get off the train. Examples. We got on the train at 8 a.m. They got off at the next station. Plane. Getting inside. Get on the plane. Board the plane. Leaving. Get off the plane. Examples. We boarded the plane on time. We got off the plane after landing. Bike. For bicycles and motorcycles, we use different verbs. Getting on. Get on the bike. Hop on the bike. Leaving. Get off the bike. Examples. He got on his bike and rode away. She got off her motorcycle. Car. Cars are different. Getting inside. Get in the car. Leaving. Get out of the car. Examples. Get in the car. She got out of the car quickly. Easy rule to remember. Bus, get on, get off. Train, get on, get off. Plane, get on, get off. Bike, get on, get off. Car, get in, get out of. Why? Think of it this way. For large public transportation like buses, trains, and planes, English uses on and off. For small enclosed vehicles like cars and taxis, English uses in and out of. For bikes, you're sitting on them, so we also use on and off. Now it's your turn. Write these 4 sentences in the comments. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep practicing English every day. See you in the next lesson.